Introducing the Art Blox Box. The Art Blox Box is a deck of 82 cards, each with a photo, written prompt, and color palette on them. Designed and created to help inspire and boost creativity. Each card is different from the next, and you can use the Art Blox Box whichever way you'd like. Pull one card or mix and match several cards at a time. In the box, you will receive a starter pamphlet with some helpful suggestions on different ways you can pull cards and use them. These cards all come with different photos, prompts, and color palettes designed to match the photos on the cards. The layout of the palettes are placed in a way to help you select colors from your own selection of art supplies so you can hold them up to your color swatches or art materials. The Art Blox Box started as a tool I created to help myself with art block. The longer I used it, the more I found it to have a universal ability to help me coming up with ideas. Thanks to my viewers on YouTube and social media who voted for the design of the Art Blox Box, I was able to evolve it from a basic prototype to a now completed prototype ready to go. The Art Blox Box helped me overcome my art block, and it continues to help me during my creative process. I use it for color inspiration when I know exactly what I want to do, but I don't know what colors to use. And it's really helpful for coming up with ideas when you're not too sure what you want to do, but you know you want to paint. This deck of cards is perfect for all creatives, whether you paint with acrylics or watercolors, whether you are new to using art as a tool towards healing, or if you have been working for years as an artist. The possibilities are endless with the Art Blox Box. Select your card that day by going through the deck and pulling what calls to you, or leave it up to chance and select your cards at random. The Art Blox Box is for every artist, and I hope you're feeling drawn to it. Backers will receive a first edition deck with holographic edging, the 82 cards, and the starter manual, all inside of this lift lid box design. Backers will also receive a little thank you gift. And if you're interested in learning more about this project, check out the story below.